Hello everyone, this printer is HP Laser 103107108W. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer and your laptop together with a USB cable. This printer is currently connected via a wireless network, but we're going to reset this printer and disable the Wi-Fi network. Press and hold the wireless button for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The warning light will highlight, then release the button. This wireless button will be highlighting intermittently. The printer is now in a wireless mode, but we need to switch off this Wi-Fi button. Switch it off. So the printer is not in the wireless mode. Take the USB cable. This is a USB cable type A to B. So take one end of the cable, go to the back of the printer and connect it to this port, USB port, and take the other end of the cable. Take the other end of the cable, connect it to the laptop, and you will hear a tune. Go to laptop start, go to the settings, select printers and scanners. Then look from the list. You will see the printer HP Laser 103107108. If the printer is not available, then you need to add a printer. So the printer is available. Select on the printer, showing us idle. Print a test page. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your HP Laser 103107108 on laptop. Port name USB 009. Data raw. Windows x64. If the printer is connected to a wireless network, it will show you port name WSD. If it's connected to wireless network, it will show you port name WSD. But when it's connected via a USB cable, it will show you port name USB 009. This is how to connect the printer and laptop together via a USB cable. You can print document, so the printer is ready for you to print document and a photo you want. Thank you very much indeed.